What's up, juggalos? This is your boy Yakima Juggalo coming at you. So this one's been kind of waiting. As usual, I try to build up my mail for you for some unboxing or unpackaging. This one I got. I've just been sitting around waiting for a right moment. And that's going to be, so this came later than expected. So even ICP isn't the only one. The Great N9ne's album was postponed due to COVID reasons. But because it was the pre-order was postponed, this really cool Strange Music bracelet was included for the physical weight for the CD if you pre-ordered the CD like I did and many other N9ne fans. So that's a really nice, cool bracelet. Came with it as a sorry for the inconvenience or the wait. Strange Music sticker. Here is the N9ne cover. Here's the N9ne cover I switched out. That's autographed. N9ne, N9ne. Now, I have to say though, ever since Strange Music went in-house for their shirt making, sweaters and all their merch in-house, this quality of shirt isn't that great. If you could tell, look how thin that is. I mean, it's like an undershirt. You know, the quality of the shirts they used to make before they went in-house was way better. The shirts were thicker. They weren't like undershirts. I mean, this is like a Hanes undershirt, and I'm not very happy with this. I like getting those shirts as a throw-in, which is pretty cool, but this one and the other shirts that I got with my pre-orders with Maze and Jerry Robinson, the shirts weren't all that great. They were thin material. But here's the N9ne Asinine shirt. You got the Strange Music bracelets, the Strange Music sticker, the autographed CD book. Here is the track listing for you. The Herder, I Don't Fit, featuring King ISO and Sumace. Kicketer, featuring Showdow. Too Good, featuring Lil Wayne and Moo Fresh. No Seams, featuring Snow the Product and Russ. Face Off, featuring Joey Cool, King ISO, and Dwayne Johnson, otherwise known as The Rock. Clydesdale, featuring E40. Still Right Here, featuring X-Rated, Garrett Raff, and Simone. Take Your Halo, Knock That Noodle, featuring Marley Young. Heightened, What Rhymes with Threat'll Kill Ya, featuring Nuthouse. Crow, Phallic, the Grimstress. I've Been Through a Lot, featuring Steege. Dial It Back, featuring Nove Monho. Zaza, featuring Marcus Yates. Close Your Eyes, featuring Kiddo AI. Special, featuring Aster Ray with accents by T-Pain. So that's the Asinine CD pre-order that you got, and you got that bracelet for the weights. Here is another order I received. This I was excited to receive in the mail. Sorry for the bag noise. I know I hate that noise in my videos when I watch them. Not my videos, but other people's videos. So this came with a poster. Let me see if I can take the poster out one-handed. This is the, as you can see, the Hallowbleed VIP Hallowbleed 2 VIP package. Now, if you ordered this from Bukshot, even if you couldn't make the show, he mailed this VIP package to you for free. And this poster isn't no joke. It's not your flimsy, cute little poster. This is a pretty thick poster. It's the one poster. So there's the poster you get for the Hallowbleed VIP. The VIP Hallowbleed 2 comes with the lanyard, mob style music. Came with a cool coin. Night of the Zombie. Hallowbleed. Now here's the sweater. Zombie Smoking Joe Hallowbleed. This is embroidered too. This isn't no vinyl or anything. So it is a sweater that will last. It's not gonna fade off or nothing. Now here's the Bukshot Night of the Zombie CD for the Hallowbleed 2 VIP package. They Come Back, Zombie Bukshot featuring Mr. Gray, Unhinged Bukshot featuring Oh the Horror, Set Tripping Hell's Kitchen, Bag of Bones Bukshot, 13 Bukshot featuring Sun, Ipkiss Pinecone, Bones Dub, Boondocks, She 361, Gibby Stites, C-Mob, Scribble, Diabolique, The Monster, Keegan Grimm, Cody Manson, and Ritual of Ether. Now the bonus tracks is Pitchforks, Boondocks featuring Scribble, Underdog, Gibby Stites, Game Over, Ipkiss Pinecone featuring Bukshot, Gross, Cody Manson, See You Next Time, Ritual of Ether. And here's what the CD looks like. Hallowbleed Edition, Night of the Zombie. Halloween night, deep in the forest known to some as the Hunter's Woods. An area slightly off the beaten path lies the final resting place of several bodies. Most were murdered, whether the result of cold-blooded revenge or even by the happening of chance. Regardless, these dead victims are now one with the soil. But tonight, something has changed. Some unnatural, mysterious force has altered the fate of one of these lifeless corpses. As broken hands covered with rotting flesh digs their way through layers of bug-infested dirt, something makes its way back above to the world of the living. As top of the ground breaks open, a lifeless eye with a hint of glowing green can faintly be seen staring out into the shadows of the moonlight. As this entity of darkness emerges and makes its way stumbling through the dark woods, its plans remain unseen, its destination unknown. So there's the track listing again. mobstylemusic.com. So there you go. That is Night of the Zombie, the VIP edition with 5 bonus tracks if you order the VIP package. Here's another set of stuff I ordered. This is sets 2 and 3 from Loki's card game. So we're going to go backwards start from the back and go to the top. So there's the QR code, masks, and machetes. This one is Alice, Manhunter, Demon Days, Symbiote, Hellion. Now these images would be cool on a shirt. Tormentor. Low-key would make a killing. The Joker. Low-key would make a killing if you put all these on a shirt. Friendly. Or even hat pins. Lokenstein's Monster. Hat pins are patches to put on a sweater or a vest. I know Team MEJ would put them on their vests. Chainsaw Symphony. So here's the other set of cards I ordered. Again, we're going to go from the back to the top. Here is the QR code. Masks and machetes. Stinger. The Ferryman. Frozen. Succubus. The Devil. Parasuba. Summoning. Aizu. Havoc. Let's Get Violent. So those are the cards from Loki's Masks and Machetes game that he has released. He's released the 4th set as well as the whole set if you go to his website. Now, this is a pre-order I was very excited to get. I was surprised it came out. You can't really see this one. Maybe you can. I don't know. Killa C, Lost and Found. You can put that on a window. Came with the autographed photo. It's a real photo. Cole Hill. Killa C. So this one came out of nowhere, and I found it on his Twitter, and I was like, oh, wow. So Lost and Found, Killa C, The Return of Killa C. Track listing is Lost and Foundable, Identity Crisis, Welcome to the Jungle, Mumble This featuring Art Weber, Black Sheep featuring Blake Morgan, Crystal Chains featuring Stephen Mercury, Oh My God featuring Stephen Mercury, Can't Get Away, Hey Little Buddy, Looking to Love You, Closer featuring Stephen Mercury, Lead Me featuring Cheyenne Autumn McHale, Amazing Grace featuring Grandma Rosemary. All songs written and performed by Cole Hill, a.k.a. Killa C. Feature performances written by Eric Weber, Blake Morgan, Stephen Mercury, and Cheyenne Autumn McHale. Here's a phone number for Call Killa C, area code 406-690-6629. I don't know if that's real or not, but I'm happy to get this CD. I'm a huge Killa C fan. I was a little sad because he ended up turning over a new leaf, became a teacher, and stopped doing the wicked rap. And I had just discovered Killa, and that's when he turned over his whole new leaf and turned over his life. I'm happy he turned his life over, don't get me wrong. I was just sad to see his music go because he was just getting great at songwriting and rapping and everything. So there's Killa, Lost and Found. Here's another one I got. This one, the true tell-all story from Project Born Forever in the Jects. I ordered this book a long time ago. I've just been waiting for the right time to put it in a video. I figure right now would be the greatest time of all. So here we go. The true tell-all story from Project Born Forever in the Jects. For almost 3 decades, Project Born has been a force within the underground rap universe. Their unique brand of Michigan hip-hop has been moving crowds since the early 90s. For the first time ever, Project Born has agreed to sit down and share how it all went down. Come with the group as they take you from the safety of your home into the wild world of the projects, where survival is the name of the game. Contained within these pages are the lives of Frank Nitty, Little Polk, and Half Pint. Sit down and be transported on the amazing journey with them as they relive their greatest adventures, music, and the stories behind it all. Available for the first time ever, Forever in the Jects is a window into the world of these Flint rap legends. Hold on to your seats because the ride is wild and raw. Listen to the life from the members' unique perspectives and hear things previously never shared about the group from friends and fellow artists who were there when it all went down. Forever in the Jects will leave a lasting impression on the reader with stories of laughter, heartache, and triumph. Don't let this opportunity to experience the world of Project Born pass you by. Written by Mike Shepard. And they got a lot of cool pictures, posters included. And there it is right there. Mine's on page 285 where they autographed it. So that's if you ordered it. I ordered it right away when Fagel Lovers posted it up that it was on for sale. So Project Born's book. Now, this one's 2 years in the making, Juggalos. 2 years. I only ordered the CD because I'm a broke juggalo right now, and I could only afford the $17 Yum Yum Bedlam CD pre-order. I have opened the CD already. Now, I've seen pictures all over Facebook, Psychopathic Museum, Psychopathic Traders, Twitter. There is no alternate CD for you juggalos. This is just Yum Yum Bedlam. A little cover. There's the back of that. So there is no like special, because the cover is underneath, and that's what it is right there. So this comes out on top. Take it off. You see that on the back. So people are posting pictures of all 3 of these, and juggalos are thinking, oh wow, there's 3 different versions. No, that's not the case. So there's the Yum Yum introduction. There's the track listing with the recording credits. In the season, Juggalo Weekend, Wicked Vic the Weed. Next to Blossom, Gathering of the Juggalos. Pug Ugly the Stink Bug. Last to Bloom on Halloween night. Whoa, the Weepin' Weirdo. Here's what I love about this CD book, and a lot of artists don't really do this anymore. So they do the intro, and then they do Here Comes the Carnival with the lyrics, and they do that for every song that's in this album. And I wish more artists would do this so the fans would at least get something cool for the CDs they're getting. That'd be great. That'd be cool. Fans read the lyrics, they memorize the lyrics, they can rap along with the lyrics, whether we have a cool rap voice or not. I don't. I suck. But yeah, this is the CD book that comes with it, and this is their special thanks that everyone has seen out and about. As usual, dedicated to the Butterfly, Bang Pow Boom, Mighty Death Pop, Lost and Found, Fearless Fred Fury, and now Yum Yum Bedlam. So now we need to find out what is the sixth. Here's the Yum Yum Bedlam ad book talking about Violent J's Walking Home singles, Monday through Friday, what you get with it. Then you get Shaggy and the Creep Show, Tom Wood fantasy art. There's a QR code if you want to go to his website. Tom Wood is a really cool ninja. He will autograph your stuff at the Gathering of the Juggalos. He will take a picture with you. He's a cool, down-to-earth guy. Wild as Hell, Escape Records from producer Kuma's band. Ouija Max Chapter 17. Whoop Dub, ICP's beard now delivering right to your front door. Select states only. I like how they put that all small. So then they get you to go order, and then you find out you can't get it in your state, and you get all pissed, and you throw a fit. Official Psychopathic Records producer Devereaux Beats. Official Psychopathic Records producer Shaggy the Airhead. Beats for sale. Then you got Tom Wood's The Float 2022 already being advertised. Tickets go on sale. It's going to happen Labor Day weekend. Tickets go on sale March 1st. Yum Yum Bedlam. Here's what the CD art looks like. Behind the CD. Intro. Here Comes the Carnival. Wretched. Clown Drippin'. Gangsta Code. Queens, Panic Attack, Fuck Regret, Insomnia, Heart and Soul featuring Vinny Dombrowski from Sponge, The Drunk and the Addict, Don't Touch That Flower, The Jokesters, Bitch I'm Fine, Carnival of Lights, Ain't No Time, Something to See. So there you have it. Juggalos, 2 years in the making. ICP's Yum Yum Bedlam CD has finally arrived. I hope you enjoyed this unpackaging video and you watched it all the way through. Thank you for tuning in for my unpackaging videos. Whoop whoop, much motherfucking clown love. Until next time, Juggalos.